Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking new product pictures again, and most importantly I'm talking to you all about what I did to get a lot of new followers. So if you follow me on Casino Lashes, you already know what I did. But anyway, you guys, make sure you all follow Casino Lashes on Instagram. I am the owner of Casino Lashes. Follow us. Follow me on Instagram, madamebrittney, you guys. And let's get into this video, you guys. I have to fold some more boxes right now, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. Because like when I first ordered all my lashes, like it was so many of them. I only put like 5 of each pair in a box. But now I'm almost out, so I have to like put more in there and stuff. Put them in more boxes, so we're going to fold them. And guys, if you all are new here and you don't know, I designed my boxes myself, you guys. So I ended up ordering 500 of them. So if you order them if you order 100 of them, they're 70 cents a piece just to design like a paper box like this. So this is, well, sometimes they fold them for you, but I got mine flat, because if you get them flat, the freight goes down. And you guys, if you all haven't ordered lashes yet, like my freights are usually like $40-ish. Like shipping is like $40. So when you order 500 of them, they cost 35 cents. So yeah, and I did not order like 500 pairs of lashes. I ordered fewer lashes than boxes. So I just decided to bend them myself. But anyway, what I did to get a bunch of new followers. Let's go ahead and get into that, because I know that's why you all want to know. You all want the tea. So if you all have been following Casino Lashes, which you should be, you know I did a giveaway on my not my channel, my Instagram. So you guys, giveaways really help. Like I wrote down what I wanted to say in my notebook, but I don't want to interrupt this video and get up and get it. Let me get it. It's just right there. Okay, you guys, so here's the notebook. So, giveaway. So first, I'm going to tell you all how to have a successful giveaway. So the first thing I really want to tackle, I want to really talk about, is collab giveaways. So, collab giveaways are like when one person hosts a giveaway and then they get like maybe a bunch of different brands to like send them items, and then they are put into the giveaway. So the giveaway rules, these are the best rules. If you have a giveaway, have these rules, period. They must follow your account. Follow your account. Put this in your notebook, you guys. Grab your notebook, put this in there. They must be following your account. The next one, so I wrote it down just so I won't forget. The second rule, you should make them have to tag friends. Maybe two friends. Let's say 2. Or just 1, doesn't matter. A rule should be they have to tag people, because like this is the same, like when I told you all about PR searches, these are like the same rules. Because if they tag their friends, then they're bringing 2 new people who probably don't follow you to your page, because they're gonna be like, what the heck did whoever tagged me in this time, right? So have them tag friends. And next, you want them to have to repost. So I didn't really specify. They could either repost on their story or on their actual page. So it's great because after they repost, you reposted on your story that this person entered your giveaway. So then, like, let's say 10 people enter your giveaway. So then whoever watches your story, they're clicking through, they see this thing 10 times and they're like, wow, all these people are entering the giveaway, I might as well enter too. So then they want to enter. And then not only did the person that post the picture just promote you by tagging their friends, they just promoted you on their story. So let's say 30 people watch their story. Like most people have more people than that watch their story, but let's say 30 people watch it. 30 people just saw your giveaway. So that's pretty cool. And then, oh, I'll get back to the collab giveaway point in a second, you guys. And then you want them to like their picture, because like the giveaway picture, because like things get a little complicated when actually picking the winner. So back to the collab giveaway, you guys. So a lot of people have asked me to be in their collab giveaway and stuff, and I'm all for supporting other brands and things like that. But the thing is, some collab giveaways are too freaking big. Like, it'll be like the person hosting plus like 10 to 12 other people. Like, of course it's cool like for the people entering the giveaway, because it's like, whoa, I could get prizes from all these different businesses. That's cool, right? But at the same time, if one of the main reason you're doing the giveaway is for exposure for your brand. So usually it'll be like these huge accounts, like 50,000 followers hosting this giveaway, and then there'll be all these smaller brands wanting to enter their giveaway because, oh, they have 50,000. So if those people see my products, then I should get like at least 3,000 from them, right? That's the way you think about it. But that's not how it works. So like it'll be a bunch of brands entering, and like the list will be like, okay, you have to follow all these people. Mind you, I've studied this. I've watched other giveaways and saw how they went. Like, you have to follow all these people. So mind you, no one's gonna follow like 12 accounts like that. Like, no one's gonna do that. And that's just like the truth. No one wants to follow. Like, usually the people at the top of the list are gonna end up getting the followers. But let's say the person who made the giveaway puts you towards the bottom or so, you won't get as many followers as everybody else, because no matter how many people enter your giveaway, nobody, like, I'm not taking pictures at all, so this is really, nobody ever follows all the rules. Like, nobody follows all the rules. Well, some people do, of course, but not everybody is gonna follow all the rules. So when it comes to collab giveaways, you guys, you really have to like think about it. Like, I say maybe like 5-6 people in a collab giveaway may be a good range, but when it gets to be like 15 people, 10-15 people in a giveaway, like, no one does that. No one really does that at all, you guys. Like, even if like it's better, like let's say 4 businesses get together and all of them have like 1,000 followers each, or even less than that, it'll be better for 4 people with 1,000 followers to do a collab giveaway than 15 people working with somebody with 50,000 followers on their business account do a collab giveaway. Like, you would probably get more followers that way than with a huge account. And also, I've been seeing like a lot of people aren't entering other people's giveaways. Like, it'll be like it'll be a huge account with like a bunch of followers, but they only have like maybe 100 entries or something on there. I'm not sure what's going on with that, actually. Like, I think maybe they just have to repost it more. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But anyway, like I was saying, back to my giveaway. So that's just my little tidbit on collab giveaways. Because like the plus side to collab giveaways is you're only sending the person like 2 items like from your store. So it's like you're really not losing anything, but you're really not gaining anything either. But at the same time, you just lost 2 pair of lashes. You may gain maybe 10 followers. Like, if you all have entered a collab giveaway and it has gone differently, let me know. But that's just the way, like, because I like usually study like giveaways and be like, how well did it go? So next time, like, because I'm trying to figure out if this person has a collab giveaway again, then okay, I should enter that collab giveaway, because they get people a lot of followers. But that's not usually what happens at all. The more people, the worse off you are. So that's just what I think. So next, I wanted to talk about my giveaway some more. So one of the biggest things, yeah, this is the biggest thing. This is probably why those accounts with 50,000 followers don't get a lot of people to enter their giveaway. You need an attractive picture. You need an attractive giveaway picture. Like, if I can, I'm gonna like insert the picture of my giveaway. Okay, so you need an attractive picture for your giveaway. I know a lot of people like to sit it on the floor and have it spread out. Like, when it's like a lot, that's cool. But like what I did was, so this little fabric I bought from Amazon, I put it, like, I hung it up on my wall with just like some tape and put the stuff in front of it. So like something else I thought was really cool, like, I was so scared, so I gave away like I'm talking a lot. I gave away a teddy bear, Ulta gift card. It was only $20, you guys, and a box of chocolates, and let them pick 5 pairs of lashes. So altogether, this giveaway was about $50. It cost me like $50, which really isn't a lot because, like I told you all in my other video, I'm not able to do ads on Instagram anymore. So like, when you think about how much I would pay for ads versus this giveaway, I think the giveaway may work a little better than the ads to where I don't really need them. You want an attractive picture, like think of something, even maybe because everyone always has giveaways like laying out, maybe you want to switch it up and do something else like, what else could you do? Put it in a basket or something, like in some kind of box. I think that may be cool with like paper shreds or something. So that may help. Just switch it up a little bit since that's what everybody does. Oh, a big deal I wrote on my notebook. A big deal I wrote on my notebook. Do not keep your giveaway going too long. You guys, don't do it. If you ever set up a giveaway, do not have your giveaway going for too long. Like, so I was gonna like take product pictures during this video, but I have a lot to say, so I guess this will be a better video to just talk. But like, do not keep your giveaway going on too long, you guys, because look, if you have a giveaway going on for, like, I've seen people have a giveaway going on for like a month, and that's just crazy. Like, I say 2 weeks is pushing it, but about a week is a good time for a giveaway, because there are people, let's say people, in a lot of people into your giveaway. So if you're giving away your item, whatever your item is, your customers are thinking, you know what, I don't want to buy anything from her right now because I may win the giveaway, so I don't want to waste my money if I win the giveaway. So those weeks or that month, you're not getting any customers because you kept your giveaway going on too long, and that's a long time to not get customers. I saw this with my giveaway. So, well, my giveaway only went on from February 1st to February 10th. So, like, from that time, like, I got some orders, not too much, but I did get some. But as soon as my giveaway was over, a lot of people that entered my giveaway that didn't win ended up placing an order with me because obviously they were waiting to see if they would win. So that's something you want to think about. You don't want it to go on forever, you guys. I know you think you want it to go on forever because you're like, okay, because then I have more time to get even more followers, but that's not exactly how it works, because either you're gonna prioritize followers or you're gonna prioritize sales, baby. You gotta think about which one you want to do. What else? I think that's a really big point. Do not keep your giveaway going on too long. Oh, my feet hurt. A lot of people don't think about that. So my giveaway got me maybe about like close to 500 followers in 10 days. So I think that's pretty good, right? So if, let's say you want to set up a giveaway. So take an attractive picture, write your little caption in your notes. So like in the notes, just write whatever, and then tag a friend, list the rules in the caption, and then just copy paste. Make sure, oh, something cool, you should, like, everybody, you should have your own like set of hashtags you use, you tag on like all your pictures. Like kind of change the tags up a little bit, so like make sure you hashtag like giveaway, makeup giveaway, whatever giveaway, change the hashtags a little bit. Just include like a few of those keywords people who are searching for stuff can find. If nobody's reposting your stuff, repost it yourself. Like, and then eventually people are gonna be like, you know what, let me go ahead and enter this. I think that's how it works. I think. But that's just my tidbit on giveaways. I really wanted to take product pictures with you all, but I did a lot of talking in this video, and I don't want to waste y'all Saturday. So, I think that's basically it. That's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, madamebrittney. Follow Casino Lashes on Instagram at Casino Lashes. And have a great day, you guys. Bye.